This is Aliki.
And this is Darius.
And this is our first YouTube. So, hope you enjoy, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Doesn't really get it.
So we're off to Sheesh. Oh, that is disgusting.
And I can't stop picking my nose.
Darius has just farted and I'm having to open your window.
Hi guys, it's Aliki and Darius. And today we're going to Sheesh, Chigwell. And we're picking up our mate Charlie.
We love Charlie, don't we?
I don't love him.
I love Charlie, he's such a G.
I like him, but I don't love him, baby.
And yeah, we're off to Sheesh, our favourite place ever.
What?
Well, it's not our favourite place ever, but it's up there, it's at the top. It is up there.
It's in the top 20% of places. Although
20%.
Been to the gym, looking swole.
Such a twat.
Tell me about Tell me about your day, Aliki.
I just can't wait for Charlie to get in the back and not say a word. Put your cooling seat on. It's winter now.
Yeah, but I'm wearing jeans.
Yeah, but it's
still 20 degrees.
No, it's not. Anyway, so we've been meaning to do a YouTube video for about a year, 2 years, and Darius has never had the balls to do it.
But the annoying thing is, we've just been on three holidays that we could have vlogged.
We've just been on three seriously adventure packed,
serious vlogging
naughty holidays,
baby.
And we could have vlogged it all, but we didn't. We could probably put the footage in, but it's just not the same, is it really? Hello, Charlie.
Hey! This is our demo run.
This is our demo
What's
run.
the big deal,
I'm
though,
probably going to post it though. It's quite funny. Huh?
Speak up.
Yeah.
Cheek.
So our camera died, unfortunately, because we forgot to bring another battery. But this is what we ate at Sheesh. It was very yummy.
I've woken Aliki up, and we're going to go to the gym.
So this is what we use for the gym. We're trying to avoid stimulants, so it's like a pump, and it gets a good pump on, and it also, I think it makes you concentrate as well, so it's really good. I do sometimes get a stimulant if I'm feeling really lazy, but yeah, it's really good. So we're going to LRF gym. Where is it? In
Ashford.
Ashford.
Kent, baby. Leading Results. What is it? Leading Results Fitness.
Leading
It's our
Results.
mate's gym, and we're going to go and train legs because we don't have a program, but he has a program. So, yeah. And we like going to new gyms.
Do you like a gym? You sent it to me, didn't you, on Instagram?
What?
The gym.
LRF?
Yeah, I was trying to look at it. No?
Oh, I didn't bring a banana. You're going to have to share me yours and I'll show you some more.
So, I haven't eaten any breakfast because I don't really like eating breakfast for the gym. Could be wrong, but that is disgusting.
Yeah, you...
Well, I was going to eat a banana, so it won't make me feel lethargic. He's had a croissant, so that stinks.
That smells like your one last night.
That is disgusting. Oh my god.
Same brand.
Open your window.
No. Go and eat that banana.
Open your window. That is so hard.
Lovely.
Actually, wait, one more bit.
No, I don't want all that bruise. I hate the bruise bit. Look at it.
It's not bruised.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. It's fucking fresh green banana.
Look. Bro. Is it filming?
Yeah.
Is it red? I don't even need to go to the gym, to be honest. Look at me.
I do. I need to go to the gym. I've really let myself go these past couple of days. I can't
I've
stop.
been good.
No, I can't stop eating.
I'm drunk and like, well, I had one April Spritz.
Well, I think I've drunk quite a bit. I have not.
But I haven't drunk in 2-3 months.
Eating. I had Burger King, McDonald's. Like, I've put on a couple of pounds, definitely.
She asked me whether she should have one, and I said, "Do what you want."
What? And then you with your croissant this morning. He tried to force me to eat his croissant, like
No, I
the other
didn't.
croissant. Yeah, you did. You tried to make me fat.
No, what you got to remember is if you're in a deficit, you're not going to put on weight.
But I'm not on a deficit at the moment, so I don't want a croissant. You did 2 croissants purposely with
No,
chocolate
I'm going
in
to
the
have
middle.
another one when I get home.
Oh, well, I've eaten half of it.
What do you mean? I said, did you want one? You said no.
I had to have it because you did it.
No, it's for me. I said I'm having 2.
Well,
do you want one?
Well, I ate half of it. And I told you not to do it because I would eat it, because I look at it and then I want it.
And we get in the car.
Oh, yeah.
Can I have some of your pump when I put 1 scoop in for me?
No. I don't want to carry around my
Yeah, but tell
shaker,
me, and then
because
I'll
I've
put
got a bottle
another
of water.
scoop in for you and do a double.
I did warn you in the house, so.
Everything I have. What?
It's really sour, isn't it?
Yeah, I might put 3 scoops in there anyway.
Well, you did.
Jeez.
Pumped off my skull.
Oh, it's a bit of a mission. It's like an hour drive.
No, it's not.
It is. By
Is
the time
it?
we pick Will up,
We're going to get breakfast off.
yeah, we're going to meet his
Food.
wife and daughter.
Food
Little
me.
baby.
Food me.
And last night, we drove and got a pizza. It was a leaky's idea.
It wasn't. It was
I just
actually your
went-
idea.
I
You were
went
like,
along with it.
no, you were like, oh, I'm still hungry after dinner. Can we go somewhere? I'll drive you somewhere. And you were like, oh, I could really garlic pizza bread with rosemary in it, wasn't it?
Oh, it's a magpie.
You never do that. You never do
Well,
that.
you weren't going to salute it.
I
so
was
had
gonna.
to.
I always salute magpies. Like, I have to.
Well, I saluted him first.
I have to salute them. It's just a thing. Like,
It's a thing, baby.
it's a thing. Pippins. Do you know what I find funny?
Me.
Me.
No, what do you find funny?
I don't know. I don't really know what I was going to say. Oh, this caffeine rush is quite nice, actually. Very strong, it says.
Extra strong.
Caffeine strength, strong.
Oh, look, they're selling apples.
Oh, did I win the lottery?
I actually won the Euro Millions last night.
No, I need
I
to
did.
check.
I got an email. I won £2.40.
Oh, I haven't checked.
I didn't want to tell you, but
Listen, I did 3.
What,
I spent
you didn't-
£7.50, right? And are you telling me I haven't won anything? I need to log into my account because
If you haven't got the email,
if I won 110 million, 111 million, oh my goodness!
what would you do? What would you buy me?
I think I'd throw up, and then probably faint. What would I buy you?
Yeah. Could I have $1 million in cash to put in the bathtub and just lay in it?
I mean, yeah, we could draw. Can you draw that out?
You got 110. Still leaves you 109.
I've not won. I've just not won, and I thought I'd win. That's the most I put in there, £7.50, and I thought I'd get it. Let me have a look. I can.
To rent out.
I can't believe I didn't win. I really thought about my numbers. Like, they really stood out to me, and I was just pressing it, and I thought, this is it. This is the one. This is the one, and it's not ever the one, is it? Do you know what I don't like as well? I did a lucky dip. I don't trust lucky dip. I think it's...
I always do lucky dip.
Yeah, but you win like £2.50.
Do you remember when I got all the numbers and a star?
And you won 70 quid or something. That means that loads of people got those numbers, isn't it? 'Cause...
Peak for me. Apparently I should have won like a couple of grand. Usually.
Oh no, I did Tuesday.
Oh, well.
I did Tuesday. Idiot.
2 a.m.
Anyway, well, at least I've got another chance. I'm gonna have to get some stimulant, I think. Feeling a bit like pre-workout.
Oh, Will's got a good one.
Is it?
Yeah.
When I know I'm gonna do a big one, like a big leg workout, sometimes you just need that little
I
push.
think it's all in the brain.
It's not.
In the head. It
Well,
is, because once
maybe.
you get going.
Yeah, once you get going, but you know, like I can push that little bit further when I've had a really good pre-workout. Like I can squat a little bit heavier, and I don't feel any pain. There's
find
no
it's
little
more-
voice in my head going stop. I'm like, you carry on.
It's more the gym. If there's an atmosphere in it, if it. What's this one?
Say hello to my little friend.
2 a.m. Broadway girls.
Chase!
There's some stuff on there. Oh.
We'll do rotation 2.
Dad!
Nuffield Health. Yeah.
Yeah, that's red.
Yeah, it's red, Darius.
That was it? I thought that was there. I thought the traffic light was there. No, I could see it. I knew it was red.
Oh, you got the sign with the traffic
and I
light.
thought, oh, I'll just go through it.
Yeah, no, it's just like some back alley gym. Where is it? Oh, it's there.
Why is it not open?
It's not open. It's not even open.
What time does it open?
It's got no. It must shut.
It
the doors.
must be open.
It's got to be open.
Um,
An amazing place.
I'm getting pancakes and a
I
full
think I'm going to
English.
get the works, really. I'm going to get a full
Can I have one of everything on the menu?
2 of everything.
I might have a side order of pancakes.
Yeah, I'm
I
having
want
smaller
pancakes.
filling.
Let's get pancakes.
Pancakes, blueberries, strawberries.
Oh,
I'm going to have to get some bacon on my pancakes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
bacon.
Oh, bacon is good for me. How hungry are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
11.
How hungry are you?
Yeah, 12.
Obviously we're gym freaks and we like to eat healthy. And we've got a farm and we've grown some linseed and we want some linseed on our porridge in the morning, so we come to get some.
Bought some yoghurt, so I thought, why not have a bit of linseed? Evie, welcome to my crib.
Yo, hi MTV, this is my harvester. She's a Dominator, 98, SL. SL means, don't know. But the seed drill's also a Claydon. Oh, I thought it was an SL, it's an MP.
Right, where's the linseed?
That's wheat. That makes bread. And there's bear.
Bear bread.
Yo, welcome back. Got the baggie. So we've been to the gym this morning. I fancy a bit more gym to finish my day off. What are you saying, Leaky? Do you want more?
No.
Hi YouTube, welcome to my home gym. Oh yeah, no warm up, 100 key. Oh yeah, come on. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.